Honestly, I wanted to just kind of leave everyone with some practical tips, because Allah Azza wa Jalla tells us in the Quran that those who seek huda, guidance, will be guided. Here's the thing. If you want to change, Imam al-Ghazali rahimahullah, he says something beautiful. He says, إِذَا الْمَرْءُ كَانَتْ لَهُ فِكْرَةٌ فَفِي كُلِّ شَيْءٍ لَهُ عِبْرَةٌ. When a person is really deeply involved in some sort of thought, when something is heavy on his mind, heavy on his heart, then everything around him will be a guide towards that thing. You love Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, everything around you has meaning all of a sudden. Every single thing. You really have a sense of urgency, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will show you the way to change. Because you know what, at the end of the day, it's different for everybody. All of us have our different demons. And every single problem has its specific solution.